Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to make the NOT gate using the transistors. So let us see the components required. We need a breadboard, some connecting wires, a BC547 NPN transistor, one LED, a 10 kilo ohm resistor, 1 kilo ohm resistor, one push button and a battery. So let us start the connections. So first of all, we will place the transistor on the breadboard. Then, on the base of the transistor, you connect a 10 kilo ohm resistor. Then take a push button and place it on the breadboard such that one pin of the push button is connected to the other terminal of the 10 kilo ohm resistor. Now connect the other terminal of the push button to the positive rail of the breadboard. Now take one more wire and connect the emitter of the transistor to the negative rail of the breadboard. Then take a 1 kilo ohm resistor, connect its one terminal to the collector pin of the transistor and other terminal to the positive rail of the breadboard. Now take a LED, connect its positive terminal to the collector and connect its negative terminal to the negative rail of the breadboard. So our connection is completed. Now we will connect the battery. As you can see, as soon as I connected the battery, the LED turns on. Now when I will press the button, the LED turns off. So this is the NOT gate. So its output is always inverse. So on pressing the button, the LED turns off. When I remove my finger, the LED turns on. Thank you. It's